In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up eBay notifications. Whether you're a seasoned eBay user or just starting out, it's always helpful to stay updated with what's happening on your account. Setting up notifications ensures you never miss an important update, auction event, or message from a buyer or seller. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to eBay's main website by navigating to ebay.com. It's important to make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding, as the settings we'll be adjusting are tied specifically to your account. Once you're there, focus your attention towards the upper left corner of your screen. If you look carefully, right next to the URL, you'll notice a small icon which is designed to provide site information. Clicking on this View Site Information option will open up a drop-down menu that gives you a variety of settings related to the eBay website. From this menu, you'll want to select Site Settings. This will redirect you to another page where you'll have more control over what kinds of interactions your browser has with eBay's website. Next, find the Privacy and Security tab on this page. This particular tab is essential because it homes all the options associated with safety and permissions, representing features like cookie management, site history, and more. Essentially, the nuts and bolts of keeping your browsing activities both safe and seamless. Among these options, keep an eye out for notifications. When you find the notifications setting, you'll see an option either to allow or block these notifications. Since we want to ensure that we receive all updates from eBay promptly, go ahead and click on Allow. This essentially instructs your browser to accept incoming notifications, ensuring you'll be informed of everything from messages and deals to reminders and bidding alerts. With those simple steps, you have now successfully set up notifications for your eBay account. It's a small but essential tweak that helps enhance your overall experience on eBay, making sure you're always in the loop about activities and opportunities that matter to you. Setting up these alerts can be a game changer, whether you're watching an important auction or waiting for messages about your listings. Always remember you can revisit these settings anytime to adjust notifications based on your needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. Setting up notifications is an excellent way to stay organized and informed. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment on this video and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy bidding on eBay.